Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, friends, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website, friends. The year 2022 readings have already started. You can buy your own reading, friends, and book now because last moment rushes are very high. The last months of this of this year are busy, so usually many people book now, so make sure you book yours now and beat the rush. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so let us see, Taurus, how your month is going to be. September. Let us see, friends. September for Taurus. What is the theme of the month of September for Taurus? All right. All right. Ooh, Six of Swords. So you are definitely moving out of burdens. You are moving out of challenges. And this is a month of forward progress. Yes, definitely. And some of you could also be traveling, relocating, shifting, or you have been planning, to relocate, shift. All these things are important. Relocation, shifting, planning, buying a house, moving forward. Theme of the month of September for Taurus. And the dream, and oh my god, the Nine of Wands, the Six of Cups. So this is definitely a very sweet and emotional month for you, Taurus. This is a very dreamy and mystical month also. You are definitely in love with somebody or some idea or some hobby or some sort of a project of yours. You are definitely in love. You are, your ideas are very mystical, your feelings, you're very romantic this month, friends, and that's a good energy. I do feel a soulmate is important to you. A soulmate relationship is coming. If you are already in a relationship, things will get better. I also feel this is a month where you will be very busy, friends. You have a lot of workload. You will have extra workload, I feel, in September, so you have to manage and balance things out. I also feel, friends, in the month of September, something that you were working on, maybe some goal, some project that was creating problems and worry for you, that will be resolved, friends. Like, you wanted to travel, you wanted to relocate, you have been trying since a long time, but now you will know what to do about it. Will it happen, will it not happen? So there is this you're busy, friends. You're very busy this month, and I do feel this is a very emotional, very sweet. You're kind of, you're longing for something, Taurus. I don't know what it is. You have a dream and you are longing for it, whether it is work, career, or a person. You are longing for them, and I do feel you will be able to get that dream in the month, achieve that dream in the month of September. Yes, I do feel that you are very close to achieving that dream. It's just that you need to believe, just need to change your focus or change the way you think about it, Taurus. Like, you may be, nah, this is. So you may be feeling like, certain things are out of your reach, but it is just a thought. You definitely can achieve that dream. Whatever you want, whether it is a person, whether it is a new love, whether it is marriage, children, or a broad job, or some degrees, or some, promotions. Yes, you can achieve it. Yes, absolutely. And busy month, friends, busy month. Busy month. Let's see your love life, Taurus. Ooh, your own card has come, King of Pentacles. Again, see, Eight of Wands, Eight of Swords. So let us see your love life, Taurus. Five of Cups, Eight of Cups, Ace of Swords, Seven of Swords, Harmony, Ten of Cups, the Ace of Wands. Taurus, their love life in September. Trust, breakthroughs. Eight of Swords, guilt, and nice, very nice. All right. So let us see, friends. Existence, that's the last card here. So let us see what will happen in the first week for you, friends. You will be feeling more in your energy, more in your power. Look at that. This is your own energy, Taurus. King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person would also be important. But I feel in the first week of September you feel balanced, you feel yourself, and you feel like, yes, life is going my way, or life is finally starting to feel like, yes, it is going to be okay. Your love life is going to be fine. Also, this is a month, this is the week of courage. You will show a lot of courage in speaking up to your person, or your person will show a lot of interest and courage towards you. And in this relationship, if your person was a little scared, they will definitely be more bold, more expressive. I also feel, friends, you might propose somebody in the first week of September, Taurus. Yes, because you have the energy of traveling. So I do feel this person, you may meet them, you may travel towards them, or you daily up and down with them. You know, like for work you meet them every day, but this week of September you propose them, and yeah, they say yes. So it's a good energy. It's travel is very important in the first week of September. And love is beautiful, love is courageous, and love is sweet in the first week. So let us see the second week of September. The second week of September is you feel a little emotional, friends. You might be missing somebody from your past, or somehow you're very much attached to your past and you are not able to move out of it, or your person is very much attached to the past and they are not able to move out of that, and because of this your love life will feel a little slow in the second week of September. And I do feel your focus will be more on work, because your person is like, I think both of you might be a little emotional, friends, in the second week of September. So because you are feeling so emotional and crying and lovey-dovey, so you will end up focusing on your work, because you find it makes sense to focus on your work in the second week of September, because you are like, what is the point? Why am I thinking about the past? Why I keep crying? Why is this person keep crying? What is going on? So let's focus on work. Forget it. So it's a crazy energy. It's like you are like, you don't know what to do with this extra emotion, or your person don't know what to do with it. So you all end up focusing on work. So the third week of September, my god, a breakthrough is coming for you, friends. If you are going through legal issues in your love life, this is the week things will resolve, or a major clarity or breakthrough is gonna happen in your love life. I do see that your person can propose you marriage in this week, or you might propose marriage to your person. I do feel there will be more clarity in your love life. There will be absolute happiness, joy, and connectivity. You will also feel very much passionate towards your person. You could be dealing with a twin flame Taurus this month, and there is equal passion and equal attraction in this relationship in the third week of September. But I feel that in your love life, family is going to affect. There are people who will affect. It could be common friends, it could be family. They are going to affect this connection of yours, because this love is beautiful. This love is beautiful, this love is true, and people usually don't like good things, friends. So there are going to be people who will affect your relationships, third parties, friends, family, could be work politics also. Try not to focus on that. Try and don't let that affect your love life. Your love life is extremely passionate and positive in the third week. Let's see the final week. Wow, finally, in the fourth week of September, you and your person will definitely be able to resolve some past issues and move ahead. A breakthrough is again, a chance of a breakthrough is going to happen. I do feel somebody will try to break you, or, create problems between you and a person, but they will not succeed. In the fourth week, again, you guys are back. And there is a lot of manifestations going on in your love life, and you are going to trust your person, or you are going to take a leap of faith. You guys are gonna say, and like, let's do it. Let's go on a trip. Let's go on this. Let's do this. So you're gonna trust, and it's gonna be fun. And a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Let's see the advice and then your work. Advice for Taurus. Passions are ignited. Yes, you are feeling very passionate, and where your passion is, that's where your love is. If that's your true lover, the person you feel very passionate, or the person who makes you wanna, lights up your life. Triumph. Yes, your love life is gonna move forward, and whatever you feel is not achievable or out of your reach, Taurus, you will definitely achieve it. And obstacles and challenges. Yes, there will be some challenges in your love life. Some people are going to cause some problems, but it will not affect your love life, friends. It will not affect your relationships. Also, keep moving forward, keep following your passions. So, let us see your work and career now. Taurus, their work and career. Teamwork is very much important for you, friends, in September. In your work, yes, you have to do teamwork. Yes, you will have to definitely do some teamwork. Joint projects are very much highlighted. Teamwork is very much important. You will find a lot of support from your work and career, at least from your colleagues and your boss. But you have to be careful, because people might put their extra work on you, friends. That I do feel will happen because you are exhausted. Why? Because everyone is putting their blame on you, or their extra work, like your boss says, hey, I'm going out for the weekend, will you work for me? Finish this file. You are like, you are going out on the weekend and I'm supposed to work. Yeah, see, that's how it goes. So be careful. Other people might put their blame on you in your career or in your work, or even in your studies, and uh, you need to find a way out of it. That's very necessary, Taurus. Also, you will find friends who will support you at your work. So try and try and be try to be with these people who are supportive and understanding of you. Also, in your work and career, finances will be slow this month, but finances will be coming in strongly at the end of September. Yes, and I do feel that if you are a student, you may definitely feel more and anxious about your work, anxious about your studies, your results. You may feel very teary eyed, very emotional, like, oh, I will not be selected, this won't happen, that won't happen. You may feel a little hopeless if you are a student, friends. I'm sorry to say that, but please try and stay positive, because you have good friends who can motivate you. Count on them, ask them, test yourself, take some. If you have an exam, take some mock test, so you know that your preparation, how your preparation is. I also feel things will not turn out as bad as you feel. If you are a student, you are definitely going to win something, and there will be a sense of completion. Like, some of you may also be moving out of colleges or out of schools, and it is a bit of an emotional period for you. Some of you may also be going for, exams or something like that. So it's a bit emotional period for you, friends, this month, but in your work and studies. But try and see that this is just one phase. The whole picture is still ahead of you. So let us see the advice, Taurus. My God, it still continues to be really, really hot. I don't know what's going on. Harmony and resolution. So solutions are coming, and expect miracles. Oh, what a wonderful card, Taurus. Yes, miracles are going to happen for you, and I do see that you're going to be really happy this month. Whatever you feel is out of reach, you're going to achieve it. And harmony, yes, peace is coming, love is coming, happiness is coming for you. And intuition and downloads. Yes, listen to your intuition, friends, Taurus. Your intuition is guiding you. You must trust it, just like Virgos. Okay, let's see your cards. Throne, position of authority. Yes, you are going to get that leadership job, that success, that fame, that reward, that result will be positive. Emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Yeah, you want a loving family, you want loving friends. Somebody born in December is important, or the coming December is important. Tortoise, slowly but surely you're moving ahead. Valley, deep personal strength and peace. Yes, friends. You have come a long way, Taurus, definitely. Unicorn, use your intuition. Again, the card of intuition is here. Vulture, depression, anxiety that someone is against you. Yeah, you should be careful of people who are working against you. Also, try not to get anxious about it. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Discord among friends or family. Yeah, there will be people who will third parties who might try to come between you and a lover. That can happen. Family issues, yeah, there might be some family problems, but you will come out of them because you have the Wheel of Fortune. So that's it now, Taurus. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.